Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video Python program to count the number of digits in a number. In the first line, this program asks the user to enter a number. Now in the next line, a variable named count is initialized to 0. This variable will store the total number of digits in a number. In the next line, this checks if the number is exactly 0. If true, it sets count is equals to 1 because 0 has exactly 1 digit. In the else part, if number is not 0, the program checks if the number is a negative number. It converts it into positive by multiplying the number by -1. Now, in the next part, this starts a loop that runs as long as the number is greater than 0. The loop will process the number digit by digit, removing one digit at a time. In the next line, every time the loop runs, it adds 1 to the count because it processes one digit. In the next line, this divides the number by 10 to remove the last digit using floor division to ensure that the result is an integer. Now in the last line, after the loop finishes, the program prints the total number of digits stored in the count. Let's check this. As I am entering a number, see the number of digit is 4. Thanks for watching.